Hello and welcome to another update video. Today we want to talk about ETHBTC, and it is starting to look more and more promising. Main reason for this video is to confirm that ETHBTC has broken a trend line. It's literally just happened. So we are going to zoom in, and also that it looks more and more promising that ETHBTC is actually starting to get into an uptrend. Why is that important? Well, because it indicates that this sort of medium-term downtrend, you could even say long-term downtrend, that started in December 21, it seems to be over. The potential was always there, but now also the action is there. The momentum is turning on. And, you know, I've outlined this potential already months ago, but we've never had a confirmed reversal. Then I communicated a target, which basically the price reacted to, the earliest one, the first one. And we had a first impulse to the upside here into the January highs. And the chart failed to form a nice 5-wave move, but we still gave it a chance. I communicated another support area, and it did hold it. And it's now turning on. And we've got 5 waves up. Again, 5 up, 3 down, 5 up. Nice 1-2, 1-2 setup. This could still turn into, I mean, it could still fail. Okay, it could still fail. But for now, because we are getting this momentum, and maybe I'm a little too early because I really would like to see a break above that 0.0611 level here, which is this swing high from the 12th of January. I would need to see that first for really all 3 levels of confirmation you can get really in Elliott Wave. But we've reversed nicely in this support region. So anybody who traded this pair, there you go. This was a great setup. But it's more useful for determining, okay, which coin is actually performing which one. So ETH is outperforming Bitcoin now, temporarily at least. And if this is turning on, then we see, obviously, what I've been highlighting already months ago, that ETH has the potential to outperform Bitcoin, and it's actually doing it now. Okay, so it actually acted, the bulls acted on that momentum, also probably in light of that ETF speculation. So that's good. We want to talk about the structure in a little bit more detail, but you know, I can, in terms of momentum, I was very patient. I tried to emphasize, okay, on this way down, okay, here's maybe a reversal, but okay, we cannot confirm it yet. No. Okay, hit target. Let's see if we can form a 5-wave move up. Okay, we've got that. Let's see if we get a 3-wave pullback. Okay, we have that. Can we see another 5-wave move up? Yes. And now that momentum is turning on. I mean, it's always worth waiting for, to get some action to confirm it, because, you know, you can talk about potentials all the time. There are many people who talk about potentials all the time on crypto Twitter. Anything is possible, but does it happen? Okay. So we want to live in the present and actually focus on what the chart is doing right now. And it shows us the patterns that we need to see, really. So the roadmap is actually being followed. Now, what does the roadmap tell us? Well, here from this reversal area, this could have been a B wave pullback. And ideally, we now see this C wave to the upside. And that's a decent move. I mean, normally what we do is we take the 1-to-1 ratio, 100% extension, have this A wave to the upside, the low of the B wave, and then the 100% extension, common target, 0.25. I mean, that is in percent from where we are now, roughly 300%. So that is ETH, you know, outperforming BTC. Now let's go to the 1-hour chart. What do we need to see next, and which levels now need to hold? So you have something to watch out for. Obviously, ETHBTC is breaking a trend line right now. We have 5 waves up again. Maybe we get a nice pullback. I think it's due. Ideally, we would get it. We'll see, but the trend is up now. So what we'd like to see is, in any pullback that happens now, I need it to hold 0.052. 0.0529. That needs to hold. And this is the 78.6 retrace of the current rally. That level will, of course, change a little bit if we go any higher than that. But this level needs to hold, because in any pullback, if we get a break below that 78.6 fib level after 5 waves have formed, it is an indication it's failing. But until that happens, I assume we are now running. So broke the trend line, pullback I think is due at some point. Next resistance, obviously that wave 1 high at 0.061, but there is currently no indication that pullback is happening. So it could get an extended 5th wave, whatever. So I just wanted to emphasize what is the key support. The trend is up against that level. Next resistance is up there, as I said, 0.061. And I think we can look forward to an uptrend. If anything changes, I'll let you know. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.